Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting list for you, the top 8 coolest safety gadgets you can find on Amazon. Whether you're looking to enhance your personal safety or just curious about the latest tech, we've got something for everyone. So let's dive right in. 8. Armored Hoodie. The Armored Hoodie represents a fascinating fusion of style and safety in the realm of motorcycle gear. Designed to cater to riders who prioritize comfort and versatility without compromising on protection, these hoodies are crafted using advanced materials that integrate armored panels into the fabric. The concept is simple yet ingenious: conceal protective elements within a garment that outwardly resembles a casual hoodie, offering a discreet and fashionable alternative to traditional motorcycle jackets. One of the standout features of an armored hoodie is its adaptability to various riding conditions and environments. Unlike bulky leather or textile jackets, these hoodies are lightweight and breathable, making them suitable for both urban commuting and longer rides. The incorporation of CE-rated armor at critical impact zones such as the elbows, shoulders, and back ensures that riders are adequately protected in the event of a fall or collision. This blend of comfort and safety is further enhanced by the hoodie's flexibility, allowing for unrestricted movement while riding. The aesthetic appeal of an armored hoodie cannot be overstated. 7. Baton and Baton Holder. The baton and baton holder are essential tools in law enforcement and security professions, providing officers with a means to maintain control and ensure safety during encounters. The baton itself, typically made of durable materials such as steel or composite alloys, is designed to be lightweight yet strong enough to withstand impact. Its telescopic or collapsible design allows for easy carrying when not in use and quick deployment when needed, making it a versatile defensive tool in unpredictable situations. In terms of functionality, the baton serves multiple purposes. It can be used for defensive tactics to restrain or incapacitate an assailant, providing a non-lethal option to defuse potentially dangerous confrontations. Training in baton techniques is crucial for officers to effectively utilize this tool while minimizing the risk of injury to themselves and others. Additionally, the baton can serve as a visual deterrent, signaling authority and readiness to respond if necessary. Complementing the baton is its holder or holster, which is specifically designed to securely carry the baton on an officer's duty belt or tactical gear. 6. Zengear Paracord Bracelets. Zengear Paracord bracelets represent more than just stylish accessories. They are practical survival tools woven from durable paracord. Originally developed for military use due to its strength and versatility, paracord, short for parachute cord, has become popular among outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and everyday adventurers for its myriad of uses in emergency situations. Each Zengear paracord bracelet is meticulously crafted using several feet of high-quality paracord, typically rated to hold weights of up to 550 pounds. This ensures that wearers have a reliable resource at their disposal should they need to fashion a makeshift shelter, secure gear, or even fashion emergency medical aids like tourniquets. The bracelet's design allows for easy unwinding of the cord when needed, transforming from a fashionable wristband into a functional survival tool in moments. Beyond its practicality, Zengear paracord bracelets come in various designs and colors to suit different tastes and preferences. 5. Rungsi Slingshot Catapult. The Rungsi Slingshot Catapult is a modern take on a classic hunting and recreational tool designed for precision and power. Constructed from durable materials such as high-strength aluminum alloy or carbon fiber, these slingshots are engineered to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while providing optimal performance. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and stable aiming, crucial for accuracy whether targeting small game or honing shooting skills. Key features of the Rungsi Slingshot Catapult include its ability to launch various types of ammunition, from traditional steel balls or clay pellets to specially designed projectiles for hunting or target practice. The versatility allows users to customize their shooting experience based on preferences and intended use, making it suitable for both recreational shooters and serious hunters alike. The slingshot's power and accuracy are enhanced by its elastic bands or bands, which are carefully selected for their stretch, durability, and tension. These bands are replaceable, allowing users to adjust the slingshot's performance according to their shooting style or environmental conditions. This flexibility ensures consistent performance over extended periods, making the Rungsi Slingshot Catapult a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a robust and adaptable shooting tool. 4. Hyper Whistle. The Hyper Whistle has earned its reputation as the original world's loudest whistle through its groundbreaking design and unmatched sound projection capabilities. Engineered to be exceptionally loud, it surpasses traditional whistles in both volume and clarity, making it ideal for a wide range of applications where a powerful, far-reaching signal is essential. What sets the hyperwhistle apart is its ability to produce a sound that can travel vast distances, cutting through noise and reaching ears even in challenging environments. This makes it invaluable in emergency situations, outdoor activities like hiking or boating, and sporting events where clear communication is crucial. Crafted from advanced materials such as aerospace-grade titanium or durable polymers, the hyperwhistle is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use in adverse weather conditions. Its robust construction ensures reliability and longevity, distinguishing it as a dependable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The hyperwhistle's design isn't just about volume. 3. Bowler Wrap. The Bowler Wrap is a revolutionary device designed to enhance law enforcement capabilities by offering a non-lethal method to restrain individuals safely and effectively. Developed by Wrap Technologies, the Bowler Wrap addresses the need for a tool that can de-escalate situations without resorting to more forceful measures. The Bowler Wrap is a handheld device that deploys an 8-foot Kevlar tether with barbed ends. When activated, the tether rapidly discharges and wraps around the target's legs or torso, immobilizing them and creating a safe distance for officers to approach and detain them. This technology allows law enforcement personnel to restrain individuals from a distance of up to 25 feet, reducing the risk of physical confrontation and injury to both officers and suspects. One of the key advantages of the Bowler Wrap is its ability to restrain without causing significant harm. Unlike traditional restraint methods like tasers or pepper spray, which can cause pain and potential injury, the Bowler Wrap aims to incapacitate through restraint rather than force. This makes it particularly suitable for situations involving individuals who may be in mental health crisis or who do not pose a direct physical threat, but still need to be safely controlled. 2. CRQ Provoke. The CRQ Provoke is a unique and innovative folding knife designed by Joe Caswell, which has garnered significant attention for its distinctive design and functionality. This knife features a revolutionary kinematic mechanism that allows the blade to deploy swiftly and smoothly with the push of a thumb, setting it apart from traditional folding knives. The Provoke is crafted from D2 steel, known for its excellent edge retention and durability, making it a reliable tool for various cutting tasks. Its hawk-bill style blade is particularly effective for precision cuts, slicing, and hooking, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, and tactical users. The handle is constructed from robust aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring a lightweight yet sturdy grip. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, providing a secure and controlled hold during use. Additionally, the Provoke features a pocket clip that is cleverly integrated into the handle, allowing for discreet and convenient carry. This knife is not just about functionality, it also boasts an aggressive, futuristic appearance that appeals to knife collectors and enthusiasts alike. One of the standard aspects of the CRQ Provoke is its emphasis on safety. 1. Smart Pepper Spray. Smart Pepper Spray represents the next evolution in personal safety devices, integrating modern technology with traditional self-defense tools to offer enhanced protection and functionality. Unlike conventional pepper sprays, smart pepper sprays are equipped with features such as GPS tracking, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. These advanced capabilities provide users with a more comprehensive safety solution, making it easier to alert authorities and loved ones in an emergency. One of the key features of Smart Pepper Spray is its ability to connect to a smartphone via a dedicated app. When the spray is deployed, the app can automatically send an alert to pre-selected contacts, providing them with the user's real-time location. This instant communication can be crucial in emergency situations, ensuring that help is on the way as quickly as possible. Some models even include features like built-in cameras or audio recording to capture evidence of the incident, which can be invaluable for law enforcement and legal proceedings. Smart pepper sprays often include safety mechanisms to prevent accidental discharge, such as fingerprint recognition or safety switches that need to be engaged before the spray can be activated. And there you have it, our top 8 coolest safety gadgets you can find on Amazon. These devices are not only practical but also packed with innovative features to keep you and your loved ones safe. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on each product. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Stay safe and see you next time.